This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about pen and pencil. Do you prefer using a pen or a pencil?
I prefer using a pen because it feels more permanent and neat. However, I use a pencil for things like sketching or when I might need to erase mistakes.
When do you usually use a pencil?
I use a pencil when I'm taking notes during planning or drawing diagrams. For example, I often use it for brainstorming ideas because I can easily make changes.
Do you think handwriting is still important?
Yes, it is. Handwriting is personal and shows effort, especially in cards or letters. It's also a useful skill for taking quick notes or filling out forms.
Have you ever received a special pen or pencil as a gift?
Yes, I received a beautiful fountain pen from my grandfather. It was engraved with my initials, and I still treasure it because it reminds me of him. Every time I use it, I feel connected to the memories we shared.
Do you think people will stop using pens and pencils in the future?
Not completely. Digital tools are popular, but pens and pencils are practical for quick notes, creative work, or situations where technology isn't available. For example, many people still prefer jotting ideas in a notebook during meetings.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a time that you got up early in the morning. You should say when it happened, why you got up early, who you were with, and explain how you felt about getting up early.
I remember waking up early about 6 months ago for a family trip to the mountains. We planned to leave before sunrise to avoid traffic and enjoy the peaceful morning views. My alarm was set for 4:30 a.m., which was challenging because I usually enjoy sleeping in on weekends. The night before, I packed my bag with essentials like snacks, water, and a jacket to keep warm. It was an exciting plan, even though waking up so early felt unusual. The main reason we got up early was to catch the sunrise from a hilltop viewpoint. My parents suggested the idea, and the whole family was on board. We all left the house quietly to avoid waking up the neighbors and set off in our car. The roads were almost empty, and it felt magical driving through the cool, quiet streets as the sky started to change colors. Along the way, we played some relaxing music and chatted about how beautiful the morning was. When we reached the hilltop, we had to hike a short trail to the viewpoint. The crisp morning air and the sound of birds made the walk refreshing. Watching the sunrise was the highlight. It was breathtaking to see the golden light slowly spreading over the mountains. We took plenty of pictures and enjoyed some hot coffee from a thermos while soaking in the view. Although waking up so early was tough, the experience was unforgettable. I felt energized and grateful for the chance to spend quality time with my family. It made me realize that waking up early can open the door to unique and meaningful moments that are worth the effort.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of getting up early. Why do some people find it hard to wake up early?
Some people find it hard because they sleep late or have irregular routines. For example, Staying up late watching TV or using their phones can affect their sleep cycle. Additionally, stress or busy schedules might also lead to poor sleep, making it even harder to get up early.
Do you think waking up early is good for health?
Yes, waking up early is good because it matches the body's natural schedule. It gives you time to exercise, plan the day, and enjoy a healthy breakfast, which improves overall well being. For instance, people who wake up early often feel more productive and less rushed throughout the day.
How has technology changed people's morning routines?
Technology has changed routines with alarms, fitness apps, and morning playlists. However, it can also distract people as many start their day scrolling through social media instead of focusing on productive activities. For example, some people delay their morning tasks because they lose track of time while using their phones.
Do you think children should be encouraged to wake up early?
Yes, waking up early helps children build discipline and start their day with energy. For example, they can use the extra time to review their lessons or play before school starts. Moreover, it helps them establish healthy habits that can benefit them in the long run.
Do you think morning activities are different for older people compared to younger people?
Yes, elder people often prefer calm activities like walking or gardening, while younger people might focus on studying, working out, or rushing to get ready for school or work. For example, elders may enjoy reading the newspaper with a cup of tea, while younger people check their emails or prepare for their day.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.